Hello, my name is Pierre van der Merwe, founder and CEO of LeGrace Global in Cape Town, South Africa. At LeGrace Global, we're transforming watermelon waste into world-class biotechnology. Every year, more than 100 million tons of rinds and seeds are thrown away. Our patented zero water, zero waste fermentation process turns that waste into powerful, natural ingredients for skincare, nutrition, and medical applications. Our hero product, Vitagrace Serum, is a luxury science-backed formulation that hydrates, repairs, and protects the skin. Using bioactives like L-citrulline, quercetin, extracting entirely without added water, every ton of waste we process prevents 5 tons of CO2 emissions and creates food-grade byproducts to fight malnutrition. We filed the international PCT patent, validated our process with Stellenbosch University and CPUT Agri-Foods, and is supported by UVU, WIPO under the AIP program and the GSIP as a semi-finalist. We're now raising $1 million to scale production to 1 ton per month. Complete globally, regulatory validation, and expand to Africa, Europe, and the Middle East. LeGrace Global stands at the intersection of biotech, sustainability, and social impact, contributing to 8 UN Sustainable Development Goals. From zero hunger to climate action, our vision is simple: turn world waste into global wellness. Join us in creating the circular beauty revolution, from rind to radiance. 100% zero water, 100% zero waste, 100% impact. We thank you. Pierre van der Merwe.